Let's get right into the video, guys. This actually works. It's super crazy, guys. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it. I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do this method.
Hello there, guys. So today in this video, I'll be showing you guys how to get Google Play Store on iOS. So as you can see, we have it fully working Play Store. So I'm going to show you how to download this, no jailbreak. So as you can see, everything is here. Let's get down to business. So go to matrixmods.com, find the Play Store. This is the iOS version. Press download, and last step is verification. So what we have to do is download 2 apps and follow the instructions. It's 100% for free from the official app store. So let's just wait for this to load. As you can see, so it's loading up right now. So as you can see, it says missing files, so you just have to download 2 of the apps. They're all free. So like Lucky Match says reach level 11. So I could do that. I could do this scanner app, Travel Town says reach level 9. I don't care. Just make sure you download 2 of the apps. There's also a help thing right here. So if you press on this, you can watch a tutorial that gives you some more insight if you don't find me appealing with my guide. But yeah, that's how to get the Play Store on iPhone. So yes, it is legit. So as you can see, full Google Play Store for iOS, guys. So definitely try it out if you are someone that is depressed with your iPhone App Store selection of apps. This is very different, very cool. So I'm gonna see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you guys want to get Google Play Store. This is legit, fully works, guys. So I'm gonna see you in another video, but make sure you do the verification. You should be all set. So I'll see you guys tomorrow, but get down with this tutorial. It's really cool. There's the website, guys. So